Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Simplify.
What does the dictionary say?
To make less complex or complicated. Make plainer or easier.
Math rap.
To keep it easy to use, simplify means reform a fraction or equation in its simplest form. Why deal with a fraction like 2/10 when you can simplify to 1/5 instead?
Math rap.
Explain how to simplify in your own words. There are so many words that are synonyms of simple and difficult. Make a list. Start from the word difficult and list the words in order as you simplify your way down to the last word simple. Difficult, hard, challenging, easy, simple, manageable, tough. What things could you simplify in your own life to make things better? Write out 5 examples of fractions that need simplifying. Simplify your 5 fractions. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!